It's 11 p.m., the deadline's at noon. I got a stack of work, but I'm hitting snooze soon. I tell myself 5 more minutes, that's all. But suddenly the clock's ticking past dawn's first call. The do list grows, but my willpower's gone. I'm scrolling feeds while the hours march on. I know I should start, but I just can't begin. Here comes the hero, I know I'll always win. 'Cause I'm procrastination man, king of the last minute. I put it off till the very last minute. Reports, essays, plans I can't stand. I'm procrastination man, master of the delay. I'll wait till the fire's burning away. When the pressure's high, I make my stand. I'm procrastination man. My laundry's piled up, my inbox is full. I watch one more show, then I'll hit pull. I rearrange my desk, I water the plants. Anything to avoid these daunting demands. The clock's screaming now, the walls start to close. I'm panicking, but my brain still says pose. I know I'm doomed, but I got a trick up my sleeve. My superpower's here, watch me believe. 'Cause I'm procrastination man, king of the last minute. I put it off till the very last minute. Project, chores, plans I can't stand. I'm procrastination man, master of the delay. I'll wait till the fire's burning away. When the pressure's high, I'll make my stand. I'm procrastination man. Darkness falls on my messy room. The deadline's breathing, it's coming soon. I can't run, I can't hide, I've got to face the fight. But wait, my superpower's kicking in. It's time to take flight. Procrastination man, kings of the last minute. I'll put it off till the very last minute. Reports, essays, plans we can't stand. We're procrastination man, masters of the delay. We'll wait till the fire's burning away. When the pressure's high, we make our stand. We're procrastination man. Procrastination man. Hey, maybe next time I'll start early.